What I'm bringing today, guys, is the Nina. Yes, I'm gonna tell you straight up, this is the Nina. There is nothing in this world that people fear the most than what you could become, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a quick little glimpse at this beauty right here, because I did not expect this sneaker to be this bad. Bing bang. Yes, baby. The Fear Force. This sneaker, guys, I'm telling you off the rip before we even get to the review of this sneaker. This sneaker got me off guard completely. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first saw it, I loved the colorway on it. And I actually thought about passing on these shoes. I've had this shoe already for like 2 months right there, and I have not reviewed it. But like I said, guys, I gotta do a lot of catching up to do when it comes to reviews. But to make the story short, this sneaker right here, besides the colorways, I said, you know what, man? I love the meaning behind the shoe. Like I said in the beginning right there, people fear what you could become. You don't give up on what you believe in, boy, you'll reach what you need to reach. Remember that. So this right here is one of the most defining sneakers when it comes to my collection of just the pure meaning of this shoe. But when it comes to the materials of the sneaker, it got me a little off guard. And man, when they hit hard in person, oh, they hit different. I'm telling you, they're hard. They're hard. You can take it however you want to take it. These bad boys are the Nina. There's nothing much I can say about it. Let's get straight into it. Let's not even waste time. And you already know where I start off with. The materials and the toe box. Starting off in that toe box, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta present it like this because this thing is a thing of beauty. Look at that nubuck, guys. That nubuck right there, it actually smooths out, it changes the colors, it does the whole chameleon effect. I'm telling you, this is something spectacular. The whole toe box is surrounded by that gray, that wolf gray, cool gray, if you guys want to call it. Nice nubuck, very, very good quality. It doesn't change much color when it comes to that, but it still has a very nice texture. Now going into the side of the sneaker, the nubuck that's in the top of the toe box, that black nubuck goes all the way around the sneaker towards the end and all across the sneaker. Very beautiful. No type of difference in material, guys. It's all the way through, man. Very good quality nubuck. Like I always say, guys, it's not the lubuck. Now going to the top of the sneaker, you see the black mesh and you see the black lining in the back. Very nice. The black that's on the mesh is a little bit different than the mesh that's behind it. So it gives it an actual contrast. You can tell the difference of color. The top, when it comes to where the shoelaces go, it's all nubuck across the whole sneaker also, but it's a real dark nubuck. Not a nubuck like the one that surrounds the toe box. The one that surrounds the toe box is more like a charcoal black type of color. The one in the top is actual dark black. Very beautiful. The lids right here, the ones that hold the shoes in the front and the back, it's actually in white. That gives it a beautiful contrast. And the back, a little rubber tab here in the back, I don't know what that's called, guys. Honestly, I have no idea what this is called. Now going into the tongue, all the way in the top, it is in nubuck with the patch and cotton. It's in cotton. With the white patch, flight with the Jumpman in black. Very beautiful. The whole inside of the sneaker is in white, just like the lids of the shoelaces. The insole is in black with a white Jumpman right there, as you guys can see. Very, very nice. Now going into the heel of the sneaker, you see the white Jumpman. Very well proportioned, very well detailed, very beautiful work. I really like the way they did that Jumpman in the back. And guys, I do understand that I have hated before on Jordans that have a Jumpman in the back. Yes, it bothers me. It's just something about it. But when it has an actual good meaning like this one right here, that is straight from Jordan brand, even though it's still Nike, let's be realistic about it. But when it has a meaning like this and it has these type of materials and it's just perfection when it comes to this, man, it is fire, bro. It's fire, bro. They killed it on the sneaker. I'm telling you guys, this is a very beautiful, well-made shoe. And now that we're talking about well-made, let's get into the midsole so you can check this out real quick of something that I actually caught on that I said, man, they actually did a very good job on it. If you look at the whole midsole, you don't see a nasty amount of glue marks like the grand majority of Jordan 4s, unless if it's an Alma Manier or something like that. They don't have that much glue marks. On this one, they actually kept it to a minimal. You still see a little bit, but not as bad as the other Jordans that have come out with the Jumpman in the back. You guys know how that works already. But the midsole, the top right here, you can see it, that is a very, very light gray with those little parts right there where the air bubble goes and all that. It's actually with speckled white on it with black, jet black. Very nice contrast. The air bubble in the inside, guys, is in red. That is a very nice detail right there. And of course, the whole sole of the sneaker in white and black with the Jumpman in the middle. No Jordan on this one, guys. No Jordan on this one. This is pure Jordan brand. Very good job. Very beautiful. The meaning, like it says, you're afraid of what you could become, guys. I say this and I say it from the heart, man. When I first started this channel, everybody thought that I would never make it. Look where I'm at in way less than a year. You can't complain, guys. You follow it, you chase it, you're gonna get it, man. Just believe in yourself and believe in what you truly want in life. You'll get it, man. Just fight for it, man. Don't give up on it. Just keep fighting and don't listen to anybody's horse crap. People talk a lot of crap. Keep chasing it. Keep fighting it. Stay humble in life. Guys, the whole purpose of this channel is for people to enjoy themselves. I like to make people laugh, entertain, man. I love entertaining. But the reality is that sometimes you got to talk a little serious. And what is the serious aspect of this? Is, man, you could do it. That's all I'm going to say. You might think, oh, bro, it sounds cheesy. Nah, bro, you could do it, bro. Trust me, ain't nobody in this world gonna stop you. And like I said, man, don't listen to the haters. What haters do, from the moment you have a hater, that means you're doing it correctly, dude. It's not a lie what people say out there. You're doing it correctly. You're hitting it, man. From the moment you got that naysayer, from the moment you get a troll, from the moment you get anybody that goes against what you're doing or criticizes what you're doing, that means that you're hitting them in the noggin. Good job. Congratulations. You have gotten it. So guys, this sneaker right here is one of the sneakers that represents the channel to me the most right here. This sneaker, hopefully, they keep making them for a very long time. They keep retroing them, because I'm going to buy this for a very, very long time, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. This is a lifelong sneaker right here. This sneaker's meaning is a lot to me. So guys, the most I could say is keep on pushing, baby. Never give up. Remember that. And that's the way I'm gonna leave it. So anyways, guys, like I always say, I'm always wishing you the best, and I love you all. Peace.